a plan that we have done there, it's very clear. It's a height only of about 10 feet. And certainly, they cannot live, nobody can live on that. Under the United Nations Convention on all the Seas, there's a distinction between island and rock. And even granting to China, if they claim that this is theirs, will only be entitled to 12 miles territory at sea. And so if their vessels, which they are doing now, if they fish away outside the 12 miles, they are not subject to the exclusive economic zone of the Philippines. And we cannot arrest them. And so, Mr. Speaker, very clearly under this convention, we can bring the matter to compulsory arbitration. And why can't we bring the matter to the International Tribunal of the Law of the Seas? Because, Mr. Chairman, well, we are members and signatories of the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Seas. The problem is China opted out from the jurisdiction of the International Tribunal of the Law of the Seas. And therefore, we cannot bring the matter there because if the other party has not agreed to go to the International Tribunal of the Law of the Seas, then we cannot bring them there. Because this particular law, the United Nations Convention on the Seas says that the settlement of disputes, Part 14, Article 279. The state parties shall settle any dispute between